Notes feature not showing or not working. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing you want to do is open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode like this. Go back and open the apps manager page, go to the apps, and then go to the Instagram app in the app information page. On this page you will find all the app informations, or what you have to do is go to the data usage and then disable the background data and the roaming data. Go back and open the power usage details and then disable the power consumption and enable it again. Open the app launch right here and then make sure that you have the same settings, enable all these. And last thing you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS and update your Instagram. And that's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course after all this you have to disable the airplane mode. Don't forget to like and subscribe.